Why tricep dips cause shoulder pain and how to fix it. Quick question. Why do so many people feel shoulder pain after tricep dips, even though it's supposed to be an arm exercise? Here's the shocking truth. Most people aren't training their triceps at all. They're slowly destroying their shoulders. And today, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it without quitting dips forever. Relatable pain point. If you've ever done tricep dips and felt a sharp pinch in the front of your shoulder, deep joint pain after workouts, clicking or grinding sounds, you probably thought, maybe my shoulders are weak, or maybe dips just aren't for me. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is how dips interact with your shoulder anatomy, and nobody explains this clearly. Until now. Why dips are popular but dangerous. Tricep dips are everywhere. Calisthenics workouts, home routines, park workouts, beginner programs. Why? Because dips are simple equipment free, feel intense, but intensity does not equal safety. Dips place your shoulder in one of the most vulnerable positions possible, especially if you're doing them the way 90% of people do. Shoulder anatomy explained simply. Let's simplify this. Your shoulder is a ball and socket joint. That means huge mobility but low natural stability. When you go down into a dip, your arms move behind your body, your shoulders go into deep extension, and your shoulder joint shifts forward. This position puts massive stress on the anterior deltoid, biceps tendon, and the rotator cuff. If those structures aren't strong enough, or if your form is slightly off, pain is guaranteed. The number one mistake causing shoulder pain. The biggest mistake? Going too deep.
Most people think deeper equals better, stretch equals more muscle. Wrong. When your shoulders drop below elbow level, your shoulder joint slides forward, pinching soft tissues inside the joint. That pinch is called shoulder impingement, and repeated impingement leads to inflammation, tendon damage, chronic pain. This is why dips hurt even weeks after stopping them.
The second silent killer. Shoulder position mistake number 2. Letting shoulders roll forward. When your shoulders collapse, chest caves in, scapula loses control, rotator cuff shuts down. Now your shoulder joint is unsupported while handling your entire body weight. That's a recipe for injury. Why beginners suffer the most? Beginners are at higher risk because weak rotator cuffs, poor scapular control, tight chest muscles, limited shoulder mobility. Dips demand advanced shoulder stability, but most programs treat them as beginner exercises. That's like asking a new driver to race on a Formula 1 track. Should you stop doing dips completely? Here's the honest answer. Crossmark. If dips cause pain, stop immediately. Crossmark. Never push through shoulder pain. But no, you don't have to ban dips forever. You just need to modify them, respect your anatomy, and earn the movement properly. Let me show you how. How to fix tricep dips.
How to fix tricep dips, step by step. Fix number 1, limit your depth. Stop when elbows reach 90 degrees. Do not let shoulders dip below elbows. Fix number 2, keep chest open. Pull shoulders slightly back. Imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Fix number 3, elbows slightly back. Don't flare elbows outward. Keep them angled slightly behind you. Fix number 4, control the tempo. 2 to 3 seconds down. No bouncing. No rushing. Fix number 5, start with bench dips, feet bent. Reduce load. Build control. Progress slowly. Safer alternatives for triceps. If dips still hurt, use these instead. Close grip push-ups. Diamond push-ups. Cable tricep pushdowns. Overhead tricep extensions. Resistance band pushdowns. These train triceps without putting shoulders at risk. Remember, backhand index pointing right muscle growth is about tension, not pain. Long-term shoulder health tips. To protect your shoulders long-term. Strengthen rotator cuff. Train upper back more than chest. Stretch chest and front delts. Warm up shoulders before dips. Healthy shoulders equals stronger arms plus longer training life. Final motivation plus call to action. Your shoulders are not weak. They're just misunderstood. Train smart today. Or pay the price tomorrow. If this video saved your shoulders, hit like. Subscribe for smart fitness. And comment "shoulders safe" below. Train hard. Train smart. And ascend stronger.